finally here.
Honey, where did all of our belongings go?
Don't know. Last time I had them in our room, they were there.
It's probably Woody that's selling all of them.
But why would he do such a thing?
That's what we must look into. Come on, y'all.
I hope my biological family goes and find out and sell all their belongings. Oh my God, it's them.
Woody, why the fuck would you sell all of our family belongings?
That was one of the fucked up things you could have done, Sonny.
But I wanted to sell them for everyone else.
Bullshit, Woody. When we get home, you will be grounded.
Let's get our sis home right now.
I can't believe I got the worst biological brother in my life.
Well, looks like we're gonna have to end this before this gets really broke. Man, it was a good thing I didn't get arrested. Otherwise, I would have ended up in jail and not taken by Chun-Li. Anyway, see you very soon, kids. Man, I want to have some slice of cake. I hate vegetables.
Woody, eat your veg right now. They are good for you.
But Dad, I don't want to eat some vegetables.
If you don't eat them right now, I'll shove the broccoli down your throat.
Make me,
That's it, Woody. Eat this crap.
Hey, what are you doing?
Help, get me out of here. I'm being roasted.
And I a stinker. That was a good cake.
Woody, are you fucking serious? You killed your sister over cake?
You dude, that was a sin.
Hey, a woodpecker's gotta do what a woodpecker's gotta do.
That's it, you are so grounded.
I don't care. Pissed off. Anyways, thanks for watching, kids. That's all for today. But see you next time for more pranks and Missy. Bye-bye.